How you doing?
Yeah, good, thank you.
How do you find the journey?
Yeah, really good. A lot quicker than expected.
Yeah.
I was expecting about 12 months to 14 months, and obviously 8 months down the line we're complete.
We're complete.
The gap closed up quicker than expected, so yeah.
And that was your teeth beforehand. And so
haven't seen yet.
you tell me.
Oh my god, much different. Yeah, perfect really. Slots in nicely behind the top ones off, whereas there.
How's this going to change for you going forward?
Well, one, I prefer looking at my bottom teeth. And two, I guess just overly, I think teeth are important when you look at someone and having a nicer smile will help, so yeah.
Get the confidence.
Yeah, exactly.
Perfect, thank you.